All right, guys, welcome on board to another episode of us turning our $10 into $1,000. We are currently at $528. I'm going to analyze 1 minute charts, take my trade on 5 minutes. You all know the drill. If you are new here, welcome. I advise you to start from episode 1 so you can follow along and understand our setup and everything. But regardless, I'm going to still explain as I take the trade. So 10% of that should be around 25.8.9 if I should round it up. Those of you that did maths. All right, guys. I think I'm seeing an opportunity for our first trade here. I'm going to take it in the upward direction. I'm just waiting for this candle to close. I want it to close above. Yes, it did, and I'm taking it in the upward direction. So what can you notice? You can see this minor uptrend, and the moment the candle formed this minor uptrend, it created this candlestick reversal pattern. I've not talked about this pattern before, but this is called an inside bar reversal pattern. Let me explain. I think let me delete it and really explain this inside bar. All right. So this is an inside bar. Watch. Okay, let me zoom in. Now watch the arrow carefully. Okay, first of all, let me start from the beginning. I told you the price doesn't go up straight away. Reverse, goes up, reverse. So if you want to take a candlestick reversal pattern, you have to wait for either the price to reverse from this previous higher high or swing low or this level. So now I waited for the price to reverse after breaking this supply area here. You see the supply area. So after breaking it strongly in the upward direction with this candle, that's what change of character. That means the price wants to go. Then the price then reverse back to the supply area and form this inside bar. This inside bar is when the price comes down. Watch very carefully. Let me explain this inside bar. The price came down, retraced, went up again. So this is a white candle, so that means the price went up to this level, came down again to that previous lower low, did not break it, then all of a sudden break the swing high, our neckline. If you can remember, this is a hidden double bottom neckline broken strongly by this candle, which is a sign that the price wants to go on, but this is like in a small scale. This is actually called an inside bar candlestick pattern. You can browse about it to understand it better, but this is the psychology behind it. I've never talked about it. That's why I said let me explain it in details. It's So that's why I took this trade in the upward direction for 5 minutes. It's definitely going to break this resistance and continue this is upward direction that has already started to form. And you know me and the direction of the trends are always bodies. So that is why I took this trade. Let's just wait and see how this trade closes. And to win, but my network issue. Those of you that have been following me know that me and my network providers, I don't know what I did to them. I don't know if I've offended them in any way, but they don't really like me whenever I'm taking trades. All right, finally load. So that is our first trade for this session. So let me just look for our second trade. Okay, I'm seeing a trade opportunity here. If the price should close below here, I'm going to take it. Let me just set. If it close, yes, it did. And I'm taking this in the downward direction for 5 minutes. I think I've clicked it. Yeah. All right. So why did I take it? It's already obvious. Downtrend. This is an LD downtrend. Retrace. Came down again. Retrace. Came down again. It broke the previous lower low. Retrace. Came down again. Now it went back up to this previous lower low and it closed below. That was why I took it in the downward direction to continue its downtrend for 5 minutes. So let's just wait and see how the trade close. So our second trade, it's a win. Nice. So let's look for our third trade. Okay, I'm seeing on that trade opportunity. I'm going to take this one in the upward direction in 5 minutes. For our third trade, we have this uptrend. Our last resistance got broken strongly by this candle. A little bit of retracement, but could not even close below the resistance level. That's what I'm taking is to ride on, because I'm expecting our next reversal level in this resistance. That's more than enough room for the price to go for us to take a 5 minutes profit. But let's wait and see. And that was also a win. We're in our winning streak now. All right, let's look for our next trade. Oh, I'm taking this. I'm taking this. In the downward direction. This is going to be my fourth trade. You can see this downtrend. Then you can see this cup. This cup is also sign of this is the chart reversal pattern. It's like a cup with an handle here. Then got broken strongly. The resistance got broken strongly by this candle. That's why I'm writing is in the downward direction. This is going to be a sure win, like no doubt about this. Let's just wait and see then. Oh shoot! And unfortunately, it was a win just at the neck of time. Just look at that. Just at the neck of time. All right, but regardless, a win is a win. Okay, guys, we've taken 4 trades for today's session. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have to call it a day. Our third row, 4 winning trade row. So till I see you on the next trading session. This is Captain White Candle. Over and out.